If your skincare routine hasn't changed in a few years and you're wondering what actually matters going into 2026, this video is for you. So today I'm breaking down skin upgrades I see becoming more relevant in 2026, what's new, what's still tried and true, and what I'm personally watching as a dermatologist focused on longevity. Hey, I'm Dr. Mamina. I'm a board certified dermatologist and I focus on longevity skincare, meaning we're not chasing trends. We're choosing products that support skin health as it ages. Upgrading your skincare doesn't mean replacing everything you own. In 2026, smart skincare looks like fewer products, better formulations, ingredients that work with your own biology, supporting repair, rhythm, and resilience. Healthy skin really does age better. That's the goal. Now let's start with cleansers. This is one category where actually you do not need a lot of innovation for innovation's sake. Tried and true formulas still work beautifully. Cleansers I consistently trust are ones by Cetaphil, CeraVe, and La Roche-Posay, amongst others. That said, I've also been loving some newer, more skin barrier options like Dr. Whitney Bow's cleanser and Dew's cleanser, especially for sensitive or acne-prone skin. The goal here is simple. It's cleanse without stripping. Tight skin after washing is really not a win. Now in 2026, moisturizers are no longer just about hydration. They're about barrier repair and skin resilience. Still solid, dependable options include moisturizers from brands like Skinfix, CeraVe, La Roche-Posay, but some newer favorites that I've been reaching for are the Dew Instant Angel, great for compromised barriers and really for any type of skin. Remedy has some great moisturizers. They have like a lightweight gel cream for normal to oily skin and a richer cream for dry skin. I think Dr. Manip Shah is very intentional with his line. I'm a big fan of the Personal Day Dive Deep Mevalonic Moisturizer. It's a lightweight yet deeply hydrating moisturizer for acne prone skin. And it uses mevalonic acid, which helps further hydrate and improve the health of your collagen. Clinique also has a great moisturizer from their Smart Clinical Repair line. It's full of peptides, so it's a great multitasking option that supports not only hydration, but also skin firmness. If your barrier is healthy, everything else in your routine works better. Now, one trend that's not just aesthetic, and I think is here to stay, is milky toners and serums that have a milky texture. So products from brands like Tear, they have a wonderful milky toner. There's also the Rhode Peptide Blazing Mix. Prequel has their half and half fluid moisturizer. These can help layer hydration. They can support the barrier and improve skin comfort without overloading actives or just like heavier textures on your skin. Now, these are especially helpful if your skin feels reactive, dry, or inflamed, but still needs that extra glow. We're moving away now more from single ingredient serums and towards multifunctional formulations. So think peptides with antioxidants, growth factors with calming ingredients, or repair and hydration in one step. This can reduce irritation and increase consistency, which matters more than having like the perfect routine with like 12 different steps. So examples I like include the Allies of Skin Multi-Peptides and Growth Factor Serum. This has multiple different peptides and a growth factor blend for fine lines and firmness as well as hydration. In Beauty Project has their Elastic Skin Firming Serum, which combines peptides, growth factor-like ingredients, ceramides for hydration and firmness. I've also been a huge fan of the Revision DEJ Daily Boosting Serum. This one has ATP to really energize the cells and a variety of different antioxidants, peptides, postbiotics, like skin barrier supporting ingredients to make it a full package. One area I think we'll see more focus on is supporting the skin's circadian rhythm. So skin repairs itself at night and certain formulations are designed to work with that process. Examples include things like the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. Clé de Beau Beauté has a variety of night products that really include ingredients to support that night repair process. This really isn't about marketing. It's about aligning skincare with how your skin actually functions. Now, this is where skincare is getting really interesting. We're starting to see products designed to address cellular senescence. So these are aging cells that contribute to inflammation and skin dysfunction. Senescent cells are also known as zombie cells, which essentially are cells that are just taking up space without serving any function. And this can contribute more towards inflammation and just more work for your body. There are lines that are coming out addressing senescent cells, like the Cetaphil Skin Activator line. OneSkin, their line has an amazing peptide that also addresses senescent cells. Lines like these are focusing on improving how skin cells behave, not just how skin looks. This is very aligned with longevity science. Another emerging area is mitochondrial health and mitophagy, so how cells clean up and renew their energy systems. Supporting NAD is also part of this conversation. One product that I am watching is the Young Goose Care NAD Plus Boosting Moisturizer, which is designed to support cellular energy and repair. I am also a fan of the Timeline skincare line. This is still an evolving space, but it's one that I think we're going to hear a lot more about. Healthy skin in 2026 is about working with your biology, not overwhelming it. If this realistic skincare breakdown is helpful, be sure to subscribe and let me know if you want me to build a full AM and PM routine next. Thanks so much for watching.